No other reason for this music, it's just right for me. I'll always need it, so I do this cause it's right for me. And when you hear it, you gon' feel that this is right for me. Cause when I spit it, I kill it, I get it started real loud like a jet. I be flying supersonic, I chop it like Tech 9. Really want it cause I gotta rock it like a semi-automatic. Get it going from the start real hard, all hard, raw skill, cause the lyrics with the message. The hot beat is a part, it's an art, but you won't get respect cause I can't feel what you're saying. Let me break this down, let me tone it down so you understand the meaning. Without real lyrics, no beats and hooks will simply mean nothing. When you acting hard but can't get the part, then all I see is front and fake in front of me. I'll open up a can of ass whooping. So let me take a second, cause I know the pen is mighty. These words become a weapon, the flow is coming nicely. It's clear I put in effort, so y'all can't take this lightly. I can't give up this feeling, it's the reason why I'm always down for my music. Make it loud with my music, getting high off my music. Y'all get wild on my music, I'ma shine on this music. Getting mine with this music, never tired of this music. I'm alive on this music. No other reason for this music, it's just right for me. I'll always need it, so I do this cause it's right for me. And when you hear it, you gon' feel that this is right for me. Cause when I spit it, I kill it, I make this right for me. No other reason for this music, it's just right for me. I'll always need it, so I do this cause it's right for me. And when you hear it, you gon' feel that this is right for me. Cause when I spit it, I kill it, I make this right for me. Verse 2, still on the move, still on my grind, still won't lose, still gon' shine, still gon' choose. Music over paper, never mind what you do. Mine never matter, so I have to refuse. Whackness wannabes get abused. Worked on lyrics, don't get it confused. Even though the beat is banging, I'm not amused. I slowed it down, so you need to pay attention, y'all. Don't mess around, put some effort in your record, dawg. Don't copy styles, make your own, don't get it twisted, y'all. You should know by now, keep it real with what you're saying. Oh, I'm out of time cause I have to unwind, but now let me speed it up a little. Let me dribble for a second, let me put it on record. Just let me splash a bigger ripple. Let me make this clear so it's ringing in your ear, cause the right way is never simple. I can't give up this feeling, it's the reason why I'm always down for my music. Make it loud with my music, getting high off my music. Y'all get wild